Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money from Bank of America to Capital One. This works whether you are sending money to your own Capital One account or someone else's. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure you have the Capital One banking information. And if you're sending money to someone else, ask them for their Capital One account number or the QR code. You will need this information to complete the transfer. After you do that, head back to home screen and then open up your Bank of America app. And then on your home screen, simply tap on Login. So once you tap onto it, all you have to do is simply type in your user ID and password. Once logged in, you are now ready to transfer money. At the bottom menu, simply tap on Transfer, and from here you will see two options: transfer between my accounts or transfer to another bank. Choose transfer to another bank since Capital One is a different financial institution. Now, you can go ahead and simply select the Bank of America account you want to transfer from. Select or add the Capital One account you want to transfer to. Enter the amount you want to send and review the transfer details to make sure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap on Submit. And that's it. Your money will be sent from Bank of America to Capital One. Depending on the transfer type, processing may take 1 or 3 business. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.